Today, I will show you how to locate your missing Android phone. Step 1. Use Google Find My Device. First, grab any computer, laptop or another phone. Open your internet browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox or any browser. Now search for Google Find My Device. Open the official Google Find My Device page. This is a free service from Google that helps you locate, secure or manage your lost Android phone. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. Now you need to sign in using the same Gmail account that was connected to your lost phone. This is very important. If you log in with a different account, Google will not be able to find your device. After signing in, Google will try to connect with your phone. If your phone is online, you may see its current location. If it is offline, you may still see the last known location where your phone was connected. Step 3. Check the phone location. Once your phone appears on the map, zoom in. You might be able to see the street name, the area, the building location, or the last place your phone was active. This information can help you remember where you lost it or where someone may have taken it. Step 4. Make your phone ring. If your phone is nearby, use the play sound option. Your phone will ring at full volume even if it was on silent mode. Step 5. Secure your lost phone. If you think someone has stolen your phone, do not try to confront them yourself. Instead, use the available security options. You can lock your device, display a message with your contact details, or erase your phone remotely if necessary to protect your personal data. Can you track a phone that is completely switched off? Now here is something important. Many people ask, can I track my phone if it is turned off? The answer is a switched off phone is much harder to track. Your phone normally needs to connect to the internet or a network to send its location. But if it turns back on and connects again, tracking may become possible. So keep checking your Google Find My Device account. If the location shows a place you recognize, go back to that location. Check nearby shops, restaurants or public places. Ask staff if someone handed in your phone. Many locations have security cameras which may help you understand what happened. If you believe your phone was stolen, contact the police and provide your phone's location history, device details, and any security camera evidence while polling about fake tracking websites. Be careful. Many websites claim they can track any phone instantly, even when it is switched off. Most of these services are fake. Do not give your phone number, passwords, or personal information to unknown websites. Always use trusted services like Google's official tools. Losing your phone can be stressful, but acting quickly gives you the best chance of getting it back. Try Google Find My Device first, check the last location, secure your phone, and protect your information. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful phone tips and security tricks.